You know what a blizzard is? Blizzards are bad snowstorms. Blizzards happen in the Northeast and Midwest. Do you know how to stay safe in a blizzard? You should always keep bottled water and flashlights nearby. Whiteouts blow lots of snow in the air. Blizzards are interesting storms.